really meant to be a different way to manage TV. If you have a room or a home with a beautiful view like this, you may not want to block it out for the sake of the TV. So in this case, we have this option available, which is called the Oled TV R, or Rolable. When it's completely retracted, we call that zero view, because it's not blocking any of your beautiful view. And you can see that it just retracts into the base and very elegantly rolls away. Now, you want to watch TV, obviously. So all you have to do is hit the button, and the back opens, and it will rise out of the base. The base also houses a 100-watt Dolby Atmos sound system, and I'll play some of that for you as well, so you can get a sense of how powerful it is. Let me select. Carl, which demo were we supposed to be playing? This? This one? Some of them we don't have copyright for, so.
Did you click the first one?
First one? Fourth. Okay. Just so you can see what it looks like with some content on the screen. It has all the same benefits of OLED. It's a fully featured OLED panel. Perfect black, 4K. It's a 65-inch screen size. That we call line view. And what line view enables you to do is not necessarily watch TV, but a number of other. No, I have to get out of this first. Sorry. Let me just.
With the brightness, it's quite a bright room. Does it automatically censor that with the AI sensors?
Yes, yeah, it does. There's several different modes that can compensate for a bright room. One of the other AI is that. Let me go down to the line view. And what this is, it'll retract about 3/4 of the way, and you'll have a small strip of display that you can use to do several different types of things. So we'll stop right about there. Right about there. And so you can, now that was music streaming from my smartphone, but if you have a USB with internal music, it'll also play that as well. So if you want to just listen to music as a clock, a photo frame, so USB storage on photos, will put your own photos on here, it'll just kind of scroll through. This is kind of cool for a little ambient mode. You have different things like stars, rings for whatever reason. Fireplace, a little crackling fireplace. Several different so that, and then you can go right back to the home dashboard if you want to. I'll warn you, it's a day off, but it's not Saturday any longer. To reset that. So that's.
Do you mind going to the photo frame one more?
Photo frame, sure. Yeah, this is not full. Now, there's another